Okay guys, this video it's to show you how to quickly clean up a SolidWorks drawing and make it really ready for importing into either Epson software, Fanuc, Kuka, or any other robotic project that you might have. So I'm on my J drive right now. I'm going to go ahead and open up a real project that we have. That will be 62, 61, 62 Hydra Force. And I'm going to go ahead and open cell 1270. This is the cell. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this and create a folder on my desktop so I can put my drawing files right inside there. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and make a copy from the server to my local computer by right-clicking on the Explorer and choosing SolidWorks Pack and Go. Alright, this is the screen that comes up, and now we're going to put the files on that folder that we created right on the desktop. So we're going to go ahead and select, flatten to single folder, and click Save. Okay, now go to the desktop and open up that drawing. Make sure you open up the assembly. In this case, the whole assembly is this one right here, 001. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on it. All right, cool. All right, let's go ahead and pick what we are interested to bring into the cell. This baby over here. Let me click on this palette tool, and I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to say add to favorite. I also want the palette, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the palette and also add it to favorite. The mount, the support, the table where the robot's going to be sitting at, I'm interested in that too. So I'm going to go ahead and right click on it, and just the top, I'm going to take the top only and send it to add to favorite. What else do I want? Okay, I want also I would like to have, how about this rigid bin? Let me go ahead and get that rigid bin and send it to, add it to favorite. Again, favorite. This tray, I'm definitely interested in that tray. So I'm gonna go ahead and right click on it, add to favorite. And also the second one, the other one, I'm interested on that one too. Right click on it, add to favorite. That's it. Once I have everything that I need to bring into my cell, I'm going to go ahead and open the favorite folder, right click on all of them, and then choose inverse selection. Once I got everything that I don't want already selected, I'm going to right click on it and choose hide components. Good, that's it. This is all I want. This is all I'm going to bring to Fanuc or to Epson. I'm done already, so I'm going to go ahead and save as, and save it to a format that my CAD robot program would accept. In the case of Epson, that will be step AP203. I'm going to go save that to my desktop. In the case of Fanuc, that will be IGS. Once I do that, you see you get a spinning wheel, and it's going to ask you if you want to take care of all the other drawings that we already suppressed or hidden. So you're going to say, do you want to resolve it? Say no, and that's it. You're done.